So I get a lot of calls from other sharpeners wanting to know how I sharpen serrated knives, and it actually depends on how bad the serrations are damaged on each one of the serrated knives. If the serrated knives are in pretty good shape and they just need to be kind of polished up, I will use the Scotch-Brite radial wheels on my bench grinder. If it's the larger serration knives and they need to be reground, I will use the Buck Tool low-speed bench grinder with the diamond wheel from Curry Custom Cut. If it's the smaller size serrations, I will use a diamond bit and a rotary tool to sharpen the serrated knives. Finally, I'll use the Scotch-Brite wheel to get rid of the burr and polish up the edge a little better.